They come pick all those ones.
The fish are inside the net, the water, just to keep them alive.
Okay.
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir. Activity, because they can go here to west.
You say it's the what? Is the new
Residence
of the government?
Local government.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I think we are going now.
The president was here the last month.
Last month, what did they come do?
Because they come to see the house.
They come to see it, to inspect it, to see that it's going well.
But it's not that He's a good man.
Yeah?
He's a very good man.
I like him too. Talon. He's the best president.
I was telling that yesterday that the whole of Benin is like a big project site.
Yeah, everywhere. Construction is everywhere. And
Clean water.
Everybody goes there to
Yes, the bucket. As long as it's free, but now they have to pay some money. You can come take 100 liters and you pay 100 points or 200 points. When the motor come break, they're going to use their money to repair it.
Did we find
and never ever will I.
Here is where we come by clean water to drink.
where?
Here, it's a water station.
Okay, all these people
Yes.
here.
They pump the water from the ground.
I think that's the final place.
More like it.